all in Robotics for United India channel. Today let us start new project classification of cat and dog. Okay, it is very important for machine learning engineers and some other researchers. Suppose first we have a IPYNV format code, and this code is uploaded on Google Colab. On let us start. First build a convolutional search. Now first we upload dataset in your Google Colab link. WGT function is useful for online data loading. Okay, for data information you can click here dog versus cat dataset. Now first we click here. Now next after clicking we receive in this type output, and then second click here for zip file updating. Now next we divided the data set into train data and test data. Suppose I have a base data set, it is a path of data set, and data set is divided into train and validation parts. Now number 4, here train cat frames, it is for print train and another dog frames data set. It is some example of images of data set. Now total train cat images 1000, total training dog images 1000, and total validation cat images 500, and total validation dog images 500. Now next we use row and columns in data set. Now next we saw some sample of dog and cats. It is after clicking here we can saw some sample of dog and cats here. It is very important for you. Now next we build a small conventional for search and get 72% accuracy. Now we click here for import keras layers and models. Now we build a small type of CNN model. It's a size of images 155 into 155 into 3. Now we use convolutional 2D and activation function we use ReLU, and last we use max pooling 2D operations here. Now again we use flatten layer, and last we for click here model dot summary. After clicking here you can see the summary of models. Now next we see here losses. For losses you use binary cross entropy losses, and we measure accuracy after clicking here. Now data pre-processing. For data pre-processing you click here, it is a part of data pre-processing. Total number of classes 2, cat and dog. Then training. Now we train the models. For training we use 15 epoch. You can change number of epoch here. We use 15 epochs. Okay, now click here. After clicking your program is running here. Okay, now last 15 into 15 epoch, and see here all results. Suppose we click here, then it is under working condition, so please wait. Now epoch 1 into 15, similarly here 2 into 15, similarly Now it is epoch 10 from 15, again 11 from 15. Now here 13 into 15 and it is 14 into 15. Its accuracy is 99.85, validation loss is 4.29 and validation accuracy is 0.7. Here epoch 15 into 15, it is completed 15 into 15. So now next we visualizing the intermediate representation of models. Now we click here. Now it is under working condition. So it is a result of feature map. It is a result of feature map of cat and dogs. So it is a very important. From this project you can use some conference paper. You can write some conference paper from using this code and data sets. Okay, now for data evaluation you click here and please wait. It is a training and validation accuracy and it is a training and validation loss. It is important output. Number of epoch is 15. It is represent number of epoch 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 and here 15. And here it is vertical axis is represented validation. It is represented accuracy, validation accuracy, and is training and validation accuracy, and it is represented training and validation loss. So this is very important for you. For detailed data set information you can click here. Kaggle, you can go Kaggle, and dog versus cat you can click here, and you code also available here. Data set available here. You can read detail for in this data set. So thank you to all.